Golok Serta Yami, then Golok Serta Sasha Deang, Tumbaka Manda, Sasha Commander or Manda Nudge, Michelle Nudge, Zuja. Nancy, which is not Sacred Mambuji Gosha Jabsha, Yana Tinani, Yana Kajanchi, Gosha Jabsha. Ngaba Puri Ranchon Kurt there. That a magic Yami Tashi, such a moment, Ngaba, to Samaya Navaya Chayo. Yami Gitana, Kandze, Puri Ranchon Kurt there, to some Kandze, to some Kandze and Chayo.
The Chinese government they gave name particular like it is a region of Ngaba is a region of Kandze, but it doesn't mean that all the region. It doesn't mean inside this Kandze and inside this Golok. It's just they found it. They formed this kind of new state or new district. They found it. They formed.
Ngaba said the Koran such a chonchon Mari, Kandze said such a chonchon Mari, the Negan such a Degamon, Koronchi, Yami, but such a chimbu, Mambu Shujila better Ngaba Sakatris, Kandze Sakatris, or the day loss of Bayan, Pok Luji Zunzuchini, the Dipsovio.
According to our Tibetan history, Kandze is not small region, and also Kandze. It's not small region. Both Golok and both are not small. But Chinese government they make their own history. Yes. Okay, it's something like here is Bokdo, here's Toulouse, but Maksai. They make two of them same name like Toulouse, Bokdo. Okay, Bokdo. They give something like this kind of. There's so many Tibetan people. They are not under Ngaba region, but government Srinivas they make them. Okay, you are Ngaba. You are. It's something like this.
Magic one.
Yami Sacha Chimbo to but the Tumbo Mambo Gosha Jabjo Chonchonzu, Yan Sacha Chonchon Man Kurmuchi, such a Samaya, such a Chonchon de Man Pata, the Jinja.
Okay, this is what I understood. The Lamala, what he's talking to me, what I understood is this is the policy of Chinese government. There's a big place, like big region, big like Paris. They divide it. And they make some part. It's a kind of rule to to handle the room more easily with small village. They make part. If like Paris, something like for me around this mode, okay, there's a Mary, something like this. It's more easy to handle. Yeah, manage.
Control.
Yeah, control.
Golok Serta Sacha Dojigan Bayana, Nitadam Yami Gosha, Janshi Nigu Gosha Jabiore, Sutton Province, Chanhe Province, Nigi with a Gosha Jabiore, Zisha Imbas. Manchiva Sutton Province, Sutton Janshin with a Gosha Jabiores, Golok Serta.
In Golok Serta, normally they are like they divided in Sichuan province, and other province, normally Changlin province, but Changlin province, but mostly are from Sichuan province. But it's a kind of really complicated situations happening in Tibet right now, because what we have in our history is not same right now. They are changing a lot, all the systems, and also they make their own histories nowadays, stories to keep.
But Manchiva Sutton Janshin will have Jarjo, but Tinani Jam, Kandze Ranchon Kardan, Kandze Sacre dance, Ngaba Sacre Nania, Manchiva Kandze, that's Kandze Puri Ranchon Kermola Jariolis. Sutton Janshin will have, but they don't cut a needle of Gosha, that any conditions.
He already speak about Sichuan province. Sichuan even inside student province, they divide it in two. It's like Ngaba and Kandze, something like this. But still, even one province they divide two. Probably in this two they divide it by two, and that two divided by two. It could be like this also, to make really part piece.
Sutun province 그 뭐다 요비 아니 고독 세다 되게 돼 나와 그 뭐라 파 집고 양 간지 그 뭐라 파 망보지 샤샤 요리스
Ngaba 또 student
고독 세다 고독 세다 수촌 그 뭐다 요니 수촌 고독 세다 Chinese make 수촌 고독 세다 투 나와 고독 세다 안 수촌 고독 간지 고독 세다
따쏨 차사
make it again make it two Golok Serta. Yeah. And that they carried it up the Katan de Mambojica. That Kandze Zeg Map Tarajoti. And Numag Luki Mambo, the young Europe Tanching, Golok Zeta, at the Zo Malabachi, Kandze Serta Zedo, Come Serta Zedo, the Telelas of Lavongas.
Even today, they are not telling their own real story, histories. They make like Kandze Serta, Golok Serta. They have a name, but still they change a little bit the name, something like that.